10 Health Benefits of Coffee. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, and it has been studied extensively for its potential health benefits. Here are 10 health benefits associated with coffee consumption. 1. Antioxidant-rich. Coffee is a major source of antioxidants in the Western diet. Antioxidants help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and cardiovascular diseases. 2. Enhanced cognitive function. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can improve alertness, focus, and overall cognitive function. It can also enhance memory and reaction time. 3. Increased physical performance. Caffeine in coffee stimulates the nervous system, leading to an increase in adrenaline levels. This can improve physical performance, endurance, and muscle strength. 4. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Several studies have shown that coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The antioxidants and other bioactive compounds in coffee may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. 5. Protection against liver diseases. Coffee has been linked to a reduced risk of liver diseases, including liver cirrhosis, liver cancer, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD). The exact mechanisms are not fully understood, but coffee's beneficial effects on liver enzymes and inflammation are thought to play a role. 6. Lower risk of Parkinson's disease. Regular coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of developing Parkinson's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder. The caffeine and other compounds in coffee may protect the brain cells involved in Parkinson's disease. 7. Reduced risk of depression and suicide. Studies have found that moderate coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of depression and a reduced risk of suicide. Caffeine in coffee can act as a mild antidepressant by boosting mood and increasing the production of certain neurotransmitters. 8. Protection against certain types of cancer. Coffee consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including liver, colorectal, and endometrial cancers. The antioxidants and other bioactive compounds in coffee may have anti-carcinogenic properties. 9. Improved cardiovascular health. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart disease and stroke. Some studies suggest that coffee may improve blood vessel function, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of developing heart-related conditions. 10. Lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Coffee consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. The exact mechanisms are still being studied, but coffee's neuroprotective properties and its ability to enhance cognitive function may play a role. It's important to note that individual responses to coffee can vary, and excessive consumption or adding high-calorie additives like sugar and cream can negate some of these potential benefits. It's always a good idea to consume coffee in moderation and consider personal factors and sensitivities when incorporating it into your diet.